think it's better. I think right now the working condition and the safety, we are the best in the world. And we are not stopping there. We believe this is a continuous work, and every day is improvement. If I can give you some data, right now we have the highest number of green factory in the world in terms of energy efficient, in terms of environment friendly, and in terms of safety.
Right, but what about the people who do it? The conditions, the solvents that they're having to work with, the machinery, the hours, the paying conditions.
It is completely transformed.
Has it? There are organizations who say it's still got a long way to go.
No, we are working on that, but it is the way it is happening. We are bringing, and we want and we welcome all our friends, partners, development partners to see our factories, and seeing is believing. So this is a completely transformed, and working condition is completely different now.
How significant is the pressure that comes to bear from the ultimate retailer? I'll tell you what I mean. You know, we always hear that those of us in the developed economies, if we put pressure on the company to say we won't buy that stuff, then the company puts pressure on the manufacturer, which puts pressure. It comes down the chain. Is that true?
It is still happening, and that's the thing we are trying to say no, because I know, because we have done huge investment in terms of, that's why I'm saying that we have upgraded our machine, technology and process. So that's why the physical work of our employees have reduced drastically. And we have done environment friendly factory, workplace safety, but the thing is that the price. We are really looking for an ethical price, fair prices, and we are giving the best things to our employees, but we know that we need to do more on that.
Is it possible? You see, when you have in the UK and the US t-shirts at $6, £5, and you think that the cotton had to go across one ocean and then the finished goods had to go back across another ocean. Does the West still need to pay more for its finished goods from places like Bangladesh for RMGs?
Actually, they are not paying more, because whatever the
Do we need to pay more?
No, I think because what we are doing also, we are working on recycle. We are using each and every waste to recycle that one, and that's why the raw materials, we don't need to import much raw materials from abroad. So we believe that the recycle industries in one day, still some waste are using as a landfilling, but we are making Bangladesh as a recycling hub. So we will import the waste and we will produce on garments.
What do you mean by an ethical price?
Ethical prices, so clearly that fair prices. I mean, as I said that because of the pressure from the brand that we can get cheaper from another country, pay this one and I can get it. So the fair prices, what we want is that, and what you call is we call is the ethical prices, is that the wages, the factory, whole process, the work we are doing, and the quality we are doing, that they should pay prices so that we can also pay better salary, better facilities to our employees.
The race for cheaper labour, eventually you'll be outpriced by some other part of the world. Do you not need to do what China has done, which is invest more in the real high-tech, specialised textiles? At the moment, you're bulk. But China's also bulk, but it's now doing printing and screen printing and has technology no one else has. Is that your future?
Yes, and we are doing. We are already upgrading ourselves. In machinery we have done, in technology we are doing, and we are also going for a high-end textile production, so that we don't have to be only cheap goods production. So I believe this is, we are not behind China much, so we are
really?
grading ourselves. Every day we are changing ourselves.
That's your future?
Yes, and we believe that the innovation, design, development, that's the area we are working, and also recycle, decarbonization, these are the area we are working, and I believe Bangladesh are doing more value-added item, and in coming days Bangladesh will be one of the leader in garment. Though we are the second largest apparel exporter in the world, but in denim we are already become #1. We are even on top of China.